The Tesla Cybertruck motorhome represents a future technological breakthrough. It features a special Tesla drivetrain, offering over 500 miles of range on a single charge, and an autopilot system. The interior boasts a minimalist design with premium materials. The Tesla Visual Dynamic concept adapts to your needs, transforming the interior into a living room, bedroom, kitchen, or office.
La Vista is a cozy, small, solar-powered mobile home. Rooftop solar panels generate enough electricity for full autonomy. Inside, it has a shower, TV, laptop charging, and a coffee maker. When parked, the roof lifts, creating a comfortable space for cooking, sleeping, or working, and an additional solar panel extends the surface area by 17.5 centimeters.
Valentino Rossi's unique motorhome, created by Spanish company HRZ, can expand its living space. It features a cozy living room, a superbly equipped kitchen with premium materials, a spacious bedroom with a comfortable double bed, and a bathroom with a shower. The motorhome is equipped with high-tech gadgets, 2 satellite antennas, surveillance cameras, a TV, and a Bose audio system. It even includes special meeting rooms, serving as the racer's office.
Starting at $475,000, the Overland Truck Adrenaline is a fortress on wheels, designed for explorers craving both freedom and security. Riding on a Ram 5500 or Ford F550 chassis with liquid spring adaptive suspension, it conquers rough terrain effortlessly. Inside, a handcrafted aluminum and foam core module offers durability while wrapping you in comfort. With solar power, advanced 24V systems, and generous water storage, allowing you to travel deeper and stay longer.
The Pilote G740FC redefines luxury touring. Its sleek exterior is matched by a spacious interior that feels more like a modern apartment. A bright lounge with panoramic windows invites natural light, and the fully equipped kitchen boasts premium finishes. At the rear, the deluxe island bed offers hotel-level comfort, complemented by a large wardrobe and a private bathroom. Built on the dependable Fiat Ducato chassis, it delivers a smooth and stable ride. Pricing starts at around $120,000.
The 2026 Prevost Low-Key Coach Elite H Series sets a new standard for luxury on the open road. Built on the Post H345 chassis, it combines engineering excellence with 5-star comfort. 4 expansive slide-outs transform the living space into a penthouse on wheels, with heated floors and spa-inspired bathrooms. Entertainment is handled by 3 motorized screens and an integrated Garmin smart control system. Energy independence comes from a 96 kilowatt-hour lithium battery system and a 2.5 kilowatt solar array, providing up to 36 hours of off-grid autonomy. This masterpiece is priced at around $1.8 million.
The Genius houseboat is a German houseboat, ideal for inland waters due to its compact size, 11.2 by 3.9 meters, and ease of use, 1 outboard motor. Key features include a cozy wooden interior, double bed, kitchen, shower, and a rooftop terrace for relaxation or parties.
VanCubic offers a module that converts a van, Ford Transit, Mercedes Sprinter, etc., into a camping truck. The module fits L2, H2 vans and larger. The customer chooses the configuration: shower, sofa bed, kitchen. Key advantage: the module is considered cargo, so no permits are needed. It can be installed by 1 person in an hour. Price starting at $17,100.
The Land Pod is a house on legs that can be easily built in the woods, on the shore, or on a hill. It's marketed as a camping pod for glamping sites, offering more comfort than a tent. It features lots of space between the floor and the ground for things like firewood storage. The construction is reliable and requires no maintenance or dismantling for winter. The POTA version fits 2 adults and 2 children and costs $1,370.
Nature Hike offers additional tents used as showers or toilets. They come in single or double versions for larger groups and can also serve as temporary changing rooms or storage areas. Made of durable synthetic material, they withstand rain and snow. Height is 190 centimeters. Price? Just $36 for a single tent.
A mobile hotel room, 9 by 2.5 meters, designed for up to 4 people. It features panoramic doors and a spa-style bathroom. The elegant kitchen utilizes stainless steel, Korean solid surface countertops, and a full stove with an oven. Underfloor heating is included. It can accommodate up to 6 sleeping places, and the design prioritizes aerodynamics. Price? Around $100,000.
Lightship, a startup founded by ex-Tesla employees, offers a camper trailer with 3 key features. 1. An integrated electric motor. 2. 3 times better aerodynamics than competitors. 3. 3-kilowatt solar panels and high-capacity batteries, providing up to a week of autonomy. The trailer measures 7.3 by 2.6 meters and includes a flexible living area, a kitchenette, and a bathroom, available for pre-order starting at $125,000.
A Chinese company added a second story to the Maxus V90 van. Upon arrival, the panoramic glass living room expands outwards. Total area, 20 square meters on the first floor, and 12.4 square meters on the second. Although there is only one full sleeping area, the van offers a unique layout. Price, $413,000. A rugged motorhome built on the all-wheel drive Mitsubishi Fuso Canter truck chassis. The standard configuration offers everything needed for an autonomous journey. A 3-liter engine, 175 horsepower, 300-liter fuel and water capacity, a full bathroom, 2 smart TVs, a Wi-Fi router, and an audio system. Cost from $330,000, according to internet sources.